Today on the Point Blank Performance YouTube channel, we've got one of our trucks back, the F3 HP package. Mr. Tim Cole was nice enough to let us have his truck. We just got our brand new Mustang 800 series dual eddy current dyno in the shop. So now what are we gonna do? We gotta put a truck on there. We've got his, we're gonna make some power. It's our F3 package, real quick. S366 SPE turbo system, pusher intakes piping kit, stock fuel, fast fuel system, S&S diesel, CP4 saver kit. Now, let's take a closer look at the software and how we're gonna run this truck. So take a look with me. We're fixing to do a power curve by RPM test. We've already got the truck calculated, we've done the roll speed test, and we calibrated our RPM. We're gonna go into test setup. We're gonna do RPM versus sim. I'm gonna start this run at 2,000 RPMs. I'll end this run at 3,600. The load will come in at 2,000 RPMs. There's no trailer weight on here. We'll start at 0. If the truck makes a decent number, we'll leave it alone. If it doesn't, we'll go in here and we'll change. We'll start by 5,000 increments. The next run will be at 5,000. We'll go up from there. But the first one will be at 0. So we're gonna do our first test run. Hit submit here. We're ready to roll. So guys, I'm hitting submit on this computer. We're jumping in this truck. It's dyno time. Calling it! $594. So diving into the graph, what did this truck make? 594 rural horsepower. It achieved that at 3,418 RPM. Now we're looking at the torque. 922 foot-pound of torque at 3,348. So that's where we're going to stop today. Our F3 HP package delivered 594 rural horsepower. I'm confident to say this dyno, if you put this truck on another one, it'll make more power than that. But 594 is what it done. We're happy with it. Hopefully in a couple months, today we learned a bunch about the whole system and what it was delivering to the truck. We've flown a bunch of air through the mass airflow sensor. I've seen that. There's a few other things we got going on. It's all goodies from here. So guys, make for sure you like, subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you got any questions from today's dyno run, drop them below. We'll see you next week here at Point Blank Performance.